Imagine this. You're sitting in your cozy room, a cup of tea in hand, engaging in a lively conversation with someone across the globe, and with each passing minute, your bank account grows. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up because we're diving into a world where your voice, your compassion, and your ability to connect can be your most valuable assets. In an era where digital communication reigns supreme, a unique platform stands out, offering not just a chance for genuine connections, but also a golden opportunity to earn. This platform, my friends, isn't a mythical internet unicorn. It's very real and accessible to anyone ready to explore the realm of virtual friendships. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how you can start earning by simply being someone's go-to person for conversation, advice, or a much-needed laugh. Now, let's talk about a website that's changing the game, rentacyberfriend.com. Picture it as a marketplace for human connection, where your ability to engage and empathize can translate into earnings. Yes, you heard it right. By simply lending an ear or sharing your passions, you can earn upwards of $3 every single minute. And the best part? You set your rates, you choose your schedule, and you pick the conversations that resonate with you. So, who turns to Rent a Cyber Friend? The spectrum is broad and beautifully human. From individuals seeking advice, companionship, or someone to share their day with, to those looking for a partner to discuss their favorite hobbies or interests. The demand for human connection in our digital age is immense. And the supply? Well, that's where you come in. But how exactly do you get started? It's simpler than you might think. The first step is to sign up on the platform. A straightforward process designed to welcome new members into this vibrant community. Once you're in, it's all about crafting a profile that shines, highlighting your interests, your conversational skills, and what makes you a fantastic cyber friend. Remember, authenticity is key. The more genuine and engaging your profile, the more likely you are to attract calls and start earning. And with each call, not only does your wallet grow thicker, but so does your experience and the potential for even more connections. As we navigate through this journey, it's crucial to remember that this isn't just about making money. It's about making a difference, however small, in someone's day or life. It's about the laughter shared, the advice given, and the friendships forged. In this digital age, your voice can be a beacon of light for someone in need. And speaking of making a difference, we've got a tip that could significantly boost your earning potential on the platform. It's all about engagement and availability. The more active you are, the higher your visibility and the greater your chances of receiving calls. Consider sharing your Rent a Cyberfriend profile across your social networks. Not only does this increase your exposure, but it also invites your existing network to support you in this new venture. After signing up and diving into your email to activate your account, the real magic begins. Stepping into this virtual realm of friendships and connections, you're welcomed by a dashboard that's your new command center. Here, your earnings potential stares back at you, ready to climb from zero to beyond your wildest dreams. But first, a crucial step beckons: completing your profile. A standout profile is your ticket to success. It's not just about a pretty picture or a list of hobbies. It's about painting a picture of a friend worth paying for. Upload a clear, welcoming profile image, your digital handshake. If the first attempt doesn't stick, try again. Remember, this image is more than pixels. It's the first step in building trust. Language skills are your next arsenal. Whether you're a master of one language or a polyglot, make it known. This platform celebrates diversity, and your linguistic abilities can open doors to conversations around the globe. But here's where the rubber meets the road: setting your price. While the base rate might start low, don't shy away from valuing your time and companionship at $3 per minute. It's not just about the rate. It's a statement of the quality and depth of engagement you're bringing to the table. Beyond the basics, flesh out your profile with a gallery of images. Show the world who they're about to make a connection with. This isn't just vanity, it's about building a narrative of who you are, inviting potential friends to see the world through your eyes. Now, let's talk about the bread and butter of this adventure: receiving and managing tips, blocking unwanted contacts, and most importantly, withdrawing your hard-earned money. Whether you're setting up a bank transfer, using PayPal, or exploring other payout options like Pioneer, the goal is to ensure that your virtual friendships translate into tangible rewards. But what if you're facing geographical limitations? Here's a tip that might just be your golden ticket. Consider using a VPN. For those outside the favored geographical zones, a VPN isn't just a workaround, it's a bridge to a world of opportunities. It's about ensuring that no matter where you are, the doors to earning through rentacyberfriend.com remain wide open. Before we wrap up, let's talk numbers. We thought of earning $3 per minute for simply engaging in meaningful conversations is enticing, but remember, the real value lies in the connections you make and the impact you have. So take the leap, use the link in the description, sign up, and begin crafting your profile. Remember, this isn't just about chatting, it's about connecting, earning, and expanding your horizons from the comfort of your home. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide to monetizing your passion for communication through rentacyberfriend.com, let's delve a bit deeper into how to truly stand out in this vibrant community and ensure that your profile not only attracts attention, but also builds lasting connections that can significantly boost your earnings. Crafting a captivating profile goes beyond the basics of a clear photo and listed interest. It's about storytelling. Your profile should narrate the unique journey that led you here. Share snippets of your life, your dreams, and the diverse experiences that have shaped your perspective. This authenticity attracts not just any clients, but those who resonate with your story, ensuring more meaningful and rewarding conversations. Moreover, don't underestimate the power of feedback. Encourage your connections to leave reviews after your chats. Positive feedback not only enhances your credibility, but also increases your visibility on the platform, leading to more connections and ultimately higher earnings. Engage actively with the community, not just through chats but by participating in forums and discussions within the platform. This visibility can make you a go-to friend for many users, significantly increasing your call requests. Remember, your journey on rentacyberfriend.com is not just about the income, it's about building a network of global connections, learning about diverse cultures and perspectives, and making a genuine difference in people's lives. With every conversation, you're not just earning, you're enriching your own life with a wealth of human experience. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into this unique adventure, where each conversation not only adds to your bank account, but also to the tapestry of human connection. Subscribe to Profitability Plus for more insightful guides on turning your digital footprint into a path of prosperity. Together, let's explore, connect, and prosper in the boundless digital landscape. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in the journey ahead.